si Kuya Dan.
Okay, let's put our glasses on. For the success of the installation of Eastern Rizal Middle 4 and treatments, let's all cheers.
Woo! Sarap! Sarap ng tagumpay! Rededicate fraternal love.
Again, congratulations and thank you. We can now take our seats. Don't worry sa mga nabitin sa red wine. Pagkatapos may fellowship plan for sure. Naka-red label na or red horns at the same. Pero syempre, bago tayo dumating sa fellowship, napakalaga. Meron tayong tinatawag na closing remarks. For the closing remarks, allow me to call one of the board members of the region. Without much further ado, let us welcome Kuya Christian Naredo for the closing remarks.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Hindi ko na po isa-isahin pa ang ating mga nabanggit ng mga kasamang national officer. Ganun din po ang mga ating mga newly induct. Akin po ang karangalan na makasama ang Kuya Joseph sapagkat naniniwala kami na anuman ang ating panalangin sa ating Panginoon, gaano man kahirap ang pinagdaanan natin, Manila Overland, ERR4, alam ko na ito ay pinagkaloob sa atin ng ating Panginoon sapagkat isa ang ating hangarin. Ang hangarin maglingkod, maging tapat sa responsibilidad na iniatang sa atin ng ating organisasyon. Nawa po sana, maasahan natin kayo sa ating buong regional, kasama si Kuya Joseph sa ating mga magagandang atikain, at ipagpapatuloy lamang po natin ang ating magandang nasimulan. Muli po, Kuya Joseph, kami po ay saludo sa inyong ipinakitang katapangan at higit sa lahat, Kuya Joseph, ang iyong pagpapakumbaba at maging maunawain at hindi mapagmalaki sa anumang inabot ng iyong nagawa sa ating organisasyon. Muli po, mga kuya, sabay-sabay nating sabihin, mabuhay ang ERR4 Overland!
Mabuhay ang ERR4 Overland!
Salamat po, mga kuya.
Nice one, Kuya Christian. Thank you very much. Callers, kindly get ready. Callers, kindly get ready, and I request everyone to kindly stand for the exit of callers. Kindly remain standing as our 3 new club presidents and later on our newly installed regional governor will be calling for the adjournment.
By the power vested in me as the charter president of Manila Overland Eagles Club, I now declare this chartering and induction adjourned.
By the power vested in me as charter president of Arang Sulaiman Overland Eagles Club, I now declare this chartering and induction adjourned.
By the power vested in me as a chartered president of Pamilyon Overland Eagles Club, I now declare this chartering and induction adjourned.
By the power vested in me as the Chartered Regional Governor of Eastern Rizal Region 4, I now declare the installation, chartering, and induction adjourned.
Again, congratulations mga Kuya and Ate. This is Kuya Borge. Mabuhay ang Agila! And now, picture taking muna bago magsinuyan siguro.
Yeah.
My club. Paano ba magiging
Alright.
picture taking natin? Saan sila pwede pumasok?
Mabuhay ang Eastern Rizal Region 4. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ang Grand Villamos Eagles Club.
Agila yun.
Yeah. Yeah.